This will be a day to remember. You are the operant power. You are in control of your thoughts and your destiny. You and you alone are in charge of your success. Let's claim it together right now. You are always in the right place at the right time, attracting success and miracles of all kinds. You are a magnet for wealth and abundance. No matter where you go, everyone loves and respects you. Your confidence level is off the charts, leaving everyone around you awed and inspired. You are completely unstoppable, achieving even more than you ever imagined. The possibilities are endless for you, with nothing but successful outcomes for everything you take on today. Right now, your success, growth, and energy are the envy of everyone around you. The world is a better place because you are in it. You easily complete every task on your list. It is already done. Every resource shows up for you effortlessly. You are on the golden path right now. All of your ideas are winners. Your brilliance is unmatched. You have so much energy, and it increases with each passing moment today. The life of your deepest desires is here now, and you deserve it. Your day is filled with love, joy, and happiness, and it all grows, hour by hour. You were born a success, and you claim it as yours right now. Everything always works out for you easily and effortlessly. And now you are more than ready for everything and anything that today will bring. You are a complete and total success on every level.